Začíname. Čaute, dneska idem Bizbosku pri ďalšom zároveň novom videu. Ja som Bizbo, ja som mal ešte minulejšie Bizbosku, áno. No a máme troch nových členov tohto kanálu a prvý a najznámejší kanál a zároveň člen kanálu je Nikoman. Čaute! Jeho kanál určite bude v popisku videa, tak nezabudnite sa na ňo pozrieť, určite. A druhý najznámejší je Pauličis Benza a hashtag Filip. Čaute. A tretí, najmenej známejší, ale najlepší skákaný je Roman Packo, hashtag Packo.
Zdravičko.
Takže ideme na ten skút, video, mini, edit, camera.
You ain't never lie, you ain't never lie. Just a little nigga representing from the 305, 30305. Used to roll around up in a 1996 Nissan, 1996 Nissan. Bought it from an A-Rap, got robbed 3 months later on some dumb shit. 19 stunting on these niggas like a rush shit. I was trying to get it. Every single morning took the bus to hit the studio, my nigga, I was living on a mission. Thought I was the greatest every minute, I would say I need a record deal, a nigga stay wishing. Homie yelling, all you do is rap, 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 seems like you don't even wanna listen. Deal with it, you just gotta deal with it. Can't stop a nigga when you know we got a vision. 16s, all I got is 16s. Rap about it, homie, you can get up on a big screen. $1 million budgets in abundance. Know you got a chance if you keep it in 100. Oh man, oh man, oh man, so true. Couldn't be any more true. I just gotta do what I do. Pray shit'll go according to the plans I choose. Everybody know it's best for the boy, all I get is suggestions. Pardon me, but I ain't ask no questions. Got no time for the half-ass lessons. Either bring it to the table or get to stepping. Lyrics on deck, I don't need no weapons. Still standing as a king, I don't see no peasants. 24 freestyle, any rapping ass nigga, only how much getting paid is to the OG legends, huh?
Feeling like I need it. All my life I know I need it. Need it. It's the hunger. Hunger in this motherfucker. Hunger. Hunger in this motherfucker.